Set A Q3 solution. Explain of the place, SQL code will be at the end. Explanation. This is a PL/SQL code that selects project names and budgets for projects that belong to the computer science department and have a budget greater than 10,000. It then prints the project name and budget using the DBMS_output.put_line function. Here is a breakdown of the code. The code starts with a declaration section where two variables are declared, name and pbudget. These variables are used to store the project name and budget, respectively. Next, a cursor named pdt is declared. The cursor is defined to select project names and budgets for projects that belong to the computer science department and have a budget greater than 10,000. The cursor joins the project, department, and p_d tables on their respective keys to retrieve the required data. The code then enters the begin block where the cursor is opened using the open statement. Then, a loop is started to fetch all the rows returned by the cursor. The loop continues until there are no more rows to fetch, which is detected by the exit_when statement. Inside the loop, the fetch statement is used to retrieve the project name and budget into the name and pbudget variables, respectively. The DBMS_output.put_line function is then used to print the project name and budget. Finally, the cursor is closed using the close statement to release the resources used by the cursor.